Okay, ladies and gentlemen, it is time. This time I'm starting my walk in a different place, and I hope I don't get the sun too much in this. Okay, I have 3 basic stories to get out. I'm going to make each one into a separate video, I think. Let's see how the lighting is. Oh, that's maybe a little better. Okay. The first one is about my t-shirt. Look at this. This is a jersey from Japan. The Tokyo Giants, or the Yomiuri Giants. The Yomiuri. Yomiuri is like the New York Times in Tokyo. It's a newspaper. Okay, the Giants is the mascot. I don't know if they took it from. And then, let's see. I don't know if you can get a view of my back. There's a player on my back that I don't even know who it is. There's a story behind this shirt, though. I've been meaning to get one in Japan. I kept forgetting. So, a year or so ago, when my daughter and son-in-law were there, I said, "You've got to get me one." At the equivalent of, there's several thrift stores, but there's a recent chain of thrift stores that really float my boat in Japan, and they strike my funny bone, and they highlight the Japanese talent for abbreviating English words into something that they can handle. Okay, so this one really it kind of caught my fancy. Okay, in English it's called Treasure Factory. And I don't know, there's a lot of our vowels the Japanese have a hard time pronouncing. And not of our vowels, a lot of our letters, I want V's and B's and TH's and all that. So, Treasure Factory. Okay, which in Japanese, with the Japanese accent, the way they pronounce our English words would be pronounced Treasure Factory. Okay, so I'll give you 3 guesses on how they shorten this to make it easy for them to remember. Okay? I'll let you think about that. And then I'll first explain what they, in the United States we say KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. They don't say KFC, KFC. They don't take abbreviations that. They're not that. It's not that easy for them. No. So in Japanese accent, that would be pronounced Kentucky Fried Chicken. And how would they? Thank you. There's my niece. My sister lives over there. And in Japanese, Kentucky Fried Chicken is abbreviated Kenfra. Let's go to Kenfra. Kenfra. ああ、よかった、ここにKenfraができたよ。Kenfra. Okay. So keeping that in mind, Kenfra, Kentucky, the king of Kentucky no king, and fried dough. They don't say the dough on it. Kenfra. Okay. So how would they pronounce Treasure Factory? You guessed it. Tore Factory. Oh, I went to Tore Factory and I got this great deal on. Oh my heavens. If you're ever in Tokyo, in Japan, you've got to go. It's one of the best thrift stores. Number one, they're cheaper than our thrift stores, cheaper than our garage sales, and the items are super clean, like the shirt. I think I paid $5 for this shirt. This jersey. Of course, I don't know who the guy on the back is. Sakamoto, I think it's Sakamoto. The number, what is it, 7 or something? I don't even know who that is, or if he's still playing. Okay, so one last quiz, and I'm not going to give you the answer because I can't say this in polite company. There's another fast food chain in Japan called First Kitchen. First Kitchen. And in Japanese, with a Japanese accent, they would pronounce that Fast Kitchen. Okay, I'm not going to give you this extra credit. And put it in the comments if you can, because I can't say this in polite company. Fast Kitchen. How would they abbreviate that? Okay, I can't say this in polite company. So that is my story number 1. And I'm going to move on to story number 2. Thank you for listening, and I hope you liked it.